clear understanding of information technology. Section 1. What is information technology? Information technology is the use of computers, networks, and systems to store, process, and transmit information. It's the backbone of businesses, education, healthcare, and even entertainment. If you've ever sent an email, browsed the internet, or streamed a movie, you've used IT. Section 2. Key components of it. It is made up of several key components: hardware, the physical devices like computers, servers, and routers; software, programs and applications that make devices function; networking, the systems that connect devices like Wi-Fi and the internet; cybersecurity, protecting data from hackers and cyber threats; cloud computing, storing and accessing data over the internet instead of local devices. Section 3. How it is changing the world. The world of IT is evolving rapidly. Artificial intelligence, AI, is automating tasks. Cloud computing is making data more accessible. And cybersecurity is more important than ever. Businesses are investing in IT to improve efficiency, and individuals are using IT for convenience and connectivity. Section 4. IT careers and opportunities. Want to build a career in IT? Here are some of the hottest IT jobs today. Software developer creates apps and programs. Network engineer maintains internet and communication systems. Cybersecurity analyst protects businesses from hackers. Cloud architect designs cloud computing solutions. Data scientist analyzes big data for insights. Section 5. How to get started in IT. Interested in IT? Here's how you can start. Learn the basics. Study computer fundamentals and coding, Python, Java, or HTML. Get certified certifications like CompTIA, Cisco, or AWS. Boost your skills. Build projects. Work on real-world applications to gain experience. Stay updated. Follow tech trends and keep learning. And that's a quick 10-minute guide to information technology. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech content. What IT topic should I cover next? Drop your ideas in the comments.